how to use shortcut buttons on the Samsung Smart Remote. Here's how to use the shortcut buttons on your Samsung Smart Remote to quickly access key features. Please note that available functions may vary depending on your TV model and region. Press the power button to turn your TV on or off. To restart the TV, press and hold until the TV logo appears. Move the volume button up or down to adjust the sound level. Press the button once to mute the sound instantly. Press it again to unmute. Press and hold to open Accessibility shortcut. Move the channel button up or down to switch channels. Press the button once to open the TV guide. Press and hold to open the channel list. Press the play-pause button to display playback controls on the screen and manage the media currently playing. Press and hold the button to view the TV information screen. When game mode is on, press and hold to open the game bar. Press the return button once to go back to the previous menu. If you're watching TV, pressing the button takes you back to the previous channel. Press and hold to close the currently running function. Press the home button once to open the home screen. While watching TV, press and hold to see recommendations related to what you're watching. Press the select button to choose and run the focused item. When pressed while watching a broadcast program, it shows detailed program information. Press and hold the return and play pause buttons together for more than 3 seconds to pair the remote with your TV. Press and hold the return and voice assistant buttons together for more than 3 seconds to reset the remote connection. After resetting, you'll need to pair the remote with your TV again. Press and hold the return and select buttons together for more than 10 seconds to reset the remote's power. You may need to pair the remote with your TV again afterward. Use these shortcut buttons to make the most of your Samsung Smart TV. Quickly, easily, and conveniently,